Hello everyone, I'm Dhruvika, design team member at Tubby Craft. Festivals are just round the corner, and here I am with a brother sister card for Bhai Dooj using the sibling festival stamp set. This is a beautiful 4x4 stamp set with bilingual and most heartfelt sentiments. So I thought, why not depict a very common household scene through a peekaboo window scene card? So without much ado, let's get started. For this card, we shall be requiring the Tubby Craft Sibling Festival stamp set, Tubby Craft die ink in jet black, acrylic block for stamping. I've also used various cardstocks in green, which is already cut in the shapes of grass and clouds, craft cardstock to create the window die cut, red cardstock and white cardstock for base, and vellum paper. I started with dry embossing the red cardstock in brick wall embossing folder to give the texture of the house and make it festive. I then stuck this on the white card base using the low tack tape and die cut the window die very carefully. Removing the die cuts, I shall now be placing the craft window elements in the hollow that is created. I then paste the red cardstock on the white base using the liquid adhesive. I also place the window panel and sandwich it between the vellum paper. I paste it using both the double-sided tape and smearing liquid adhesive at very narrow pieces. I then snip off the extra pieces of the vellum paper. Coming back to the front of the card, I paste the tree panels that I pre-die cut using the liquid adhesive and the top layer of the tree die cut using the 3D foam tape to give that additional dimension. I then paste the pre-die cut green grass using the liquid adhesive at the nape of the cardstock. I placed the jumbo acrylic block by Tubby Craft so that it can be pasted very well. I now paste all the elements of the window die cut using the liquid adhesive and again place the acrylic block for all the elements to be pasted together. So I draw a guide measuring from the window pane from the outside, which comes out to be 1.5 inches, which would now act as a base for stamping. I then stamp the images using the Tubby Craft Jet Black dye ink and copy color it with the vibrant colors. Now stamp the sentiments called to the world's best brother from the same stamp set using the Jet Black dye ink from Tubby Craft. Now coming inside, where I decided to stamp the Happy Bhai Dooj sentiments, I realized it was just too plain. So I thought of adding some sibling love using the hearts from the couple hug stamp set by Tubby Craft and then stamp these hearts using the hot pink dye ink. And finally stamp the sentiments Happy Bhai Dooj using the jet black dye ink. I still thought something was missing. Thus, I decided to add the present stamp from the Sibling Festival stamp set and copy color it. To complete the card, I erased all the pencil marks and stray marks. And tada! Our card is ready. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please let me know in the comments below. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Till then, stay safe, stay crafty.